ready to unlock the secret weapon that will automate your marketing and sales, freeing you up to focus on what truly matters. First, log into your Gohighlevel account and navigate to the Automation tab located on the left-hand side menu. This is where the magic happens. Next, click on the Create Workflow button. You'll have the option to start from scratch or use a pre-built template. For this tutorial, we'll start from scratch to give you a solid understanding of the process. You'll be presented with a blank canvas. The first step is to define your workflows. Trigger the event that sets everything in motion. Click on the plus new trigger button. A menu will appear with a wide variety of triggers to choose from. Select the trigger that best suits your needs. For example, let's select form submission to trigger the workflow when someone submits a form on your website. Now, configure the trigger settings. Here, you can specify which form submission will activate this workflow. Select the appropriate form from the drop-down menu. Once you've configured your trigger, it's time to add actions. Click the plus icon to add your first action. You'll see a list of options, such as sending an email, sending an SMS, adding a tag, and much more. Let's select Send Email now. You can customize your email subject line, sender name, and email body. Use the powerful editor to craft engaging content that resonates with your audience. To add another action, simply click the plus icon again. This time, let's select Add Tag. This is a great way to segment your contacts based on their actions. Choose the tag you want to apply from the drop-down. Connect the trigger to the actions you've added by visually connecting them. This establishes the flow of your automation. Finally, give your workflow a descriptive name. Click the Save button, and then toggle the switch from draft to publish to activate your automated workflow. And that's it. You've successfully created an automated workflow in Gohighlevel. Start experimenting with different triggers and actions to optimize your marketing and sales processes.